What's going on, everybody? This is your WOF Outlook and Discussion for January 10th, 2023. Okay, the Storm Prediction Center's philosophy has not changed regarding the severe potential for parts of the south central United States into the lower Mississippi Valley, as they are still forecasting a marginal risk of severe weather for this area, primarily should be Wednesday evening into the overnight hours, with the primary threat being a 2% chance for tornadoes, but the main threat being wind 5% and hail 5% in this area of a marginal risk of severe weather. So if you live in this part of the country, gusty winds and hail is going to be the main primary threat, but a brief tornado or two cannot be ruled out. And as we take a look at the dynamics of this system valid for overnight Wednesday, as you can see, the strongest lift is occurring across parts of northern Louisiana, southern Arkansas, parts of northwest Mississippi, and extreme East Texas. So, this is where the marginal risk of severe weather should be ongoing Wednesday evening and overnight hours. So, if you stay in this area of the country, please be on the lookout for severe weather during the evening and overnight hours. Now, as we segue to Thursday, the Storm Prediction Center has issued a slight risk of severe weather for parts of Alabama and Georgia, and a marginal risk for the remainder of the lower Mississippi Valley and parts of the south, central, and eastern United States. And this marginal risk of severe weather does extend into our region in southeast Louisiana, which does include New Orleans and also Ocean Springs in southern Mississippi. But the primary threat will be in Alabama and Georgia. And as it states, isolated to scattered severe thunderstorms appear possible Thursday across parts of the lower Mississippi Valley, Tennessee, Ohio valleys, and southeast. Damaging winds should be the main threat, but a brief tornado or two may also occur. An upper trough should continue advancing eastward Thursday from the lower mid Mississippi Valley across the eastern United States while gradually amplifying. A belt of strong west southwesterly low mid level flow will overspread much of the southeast through the day. A surface low should develop northeastward across the Ohio Valley and lower Great Lakes vicinity while gradually deepening. A partially modified Gulf air mass will attempt to return northward ahead of a cold front across the lower Mississippi Valley into parts of the Tennessee, Ohio valleys and southeast. However, surface dew points will probably remain in the mid 50s to lower 60s over a majority of this warm sector. So, yes, the threat does increase slightly in the southeast United States area for parts of Alabama and Georgia on Thursday, where the main hazards should be gusty winds and hail, but a brief tornado or two also cannot be ruled out. And in the remaining marginal risk of severe weather from southeast Louisiana into Mississippi, Tennessee, mainly a strong gusty wind hail is the main threat possible for our region. And as we take a look at the dynamics for the system once we get to early Thursday morning, as you can see, the strongest support for the system is going to be in northern Mississippi, heading towards northern Alabama. And as we continue on into Thursday, as you can see, it moves eastward across Alabama into Georgia, which is why the slight risk of severe weather is across Alabama and parts of northern Georgia, where a tornado or two cannot be ruled out. But as I take a look down towards southeast Louisiana, as you can see, we have a little strong little belt of winds that extend down to about the North Shore. So that's why a marginal risk of severe weather does extend all the way down into southeast Louisiana for Thursday. But that's going to be it for this video, you guys. I just wanted to come bring you all the update on the potential for the severe weather for later this week across parts of the southeast United States. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow, bring you an update on the timing of these storms possible for our area and parts of the southeast United States. And until then, I will talk to you guys later.